Hi, my name is Emily from Brush Square Museums. Let's learn a new Pioneer skill. Today, let's make a crochet friendship bracelet. For this project, you'll need a pair of scissors and a crochet hook. I used a size G hook, but you can use whichever size you have on hand. Just add extra stitches to your bracelet if the hook is smaller, and subtract stitches if your hook is bigger. Lastly, you'll need 2 of your favorite colors of yarn. Place your yarn ball to your right and leave a fairly long tail to your left. Leaving some extra yarn at the end of our bracelet will help us easily tie it onto our wrist when we're finished. Next, grab some yarn with your right hand and move it to the left, placing it over itself and creating a loop. Pick up the base of the loop. Then, take the tail of your yarn and push it part of the way through the loop you just made. Now you can adjust the size and tightness of your slip knot. We want the loop of our slip knot to be just large enough to gently fit our crochet hook through. Be sure not to pull too tight. Now we're ready to start making a chain. Place your right thumb and third finger on the flat part of your crochet hook and place your hook through your slip knot. Be sure that your slip knot fits gently around the crochet hook and is not pulled too tight. Place your index finger on the slip knot to stabilize it. Take some yarn from your yarn ball, make sure you aren't using the tail, and bring it behind the hook. Place it over the top of the hook towards you. This step is called yarning over. Now pull your hook and yarn back through the loop of your slip knot. Congratulations, you just made your first chain stitch. To make our friendship bracelet, we need to start with about 30 chain stitches. If you have a smaller or larger wrist, you may need to add or subtract stitches to make your bracelet fit just right. Now that we've finished our first 30 chain stitches, we are ready to switch to our second color of yarn. Cut your 30 chain stitches from your yarn ball, leaving another tail. To tie off your first row of stitches, simply pull the last loop up and out. Be careful not to pull it too tight. Next, insert your crochet hook into the very last chain that you made. Take your second color of yarn, and again, leaving a little extra tail at the end, place the yarn over your hook, and then pull the yarn through. Insert your hook into the next chain. Now you should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull your yarn through both of those loops. Be sure that you are not crocheting with the tail end of your yarn. This is called a slip stitch. Repeat this process for each chain. We're almost done. Snip your project off of your yarn ball, again making sure to leave a little tail. Pull the last loop through, just as you did after you made your first 30 chain stitches. Then, tie a square knot on either side of your bracelet. Lastly, trim the ends so that they look neat and even. Now you're ready to give your friendship bracelet to your friend. I hope you had fun today, and be sure to check back for more episodes of Susanna's Pioneer Survival Skills.